confidence booster. Look at that highlight. Fling, fling, fling. Aibo, aibo. For the creamy mash, you're going to start with your clean potatoes. We call them Irish potatoes, oba mondo zungu, ninge mondi in my language. And you're going to start by peeling them perfectly. And then you want to chop them into some dices. And then repeat the process until they are all done. Yeah, I bet you didn't know what this does on the peeler, so there you go. The reason we are cutting them into smaller cubes is to reduce the surface area so that they cook much faster. I like peeling potatoes with the peeler because it's much faster and I don't have to be so asymmetrical like trying to carve it with a knife. So, but please do use what you prefer or what comes easy for you. To get some salt. Our potatoes have cooked and even the water dried out. As you can see, they are really well cooked. So we are going to add in some milk, and then I'm going to add in some butter to make it more creamy. Other people add in like a yolk, but I don't want to add in a yolk, so I'm going to grab my potato masher and go in like this. If you want them to be super creamy, you can go on ahead and pass them in a sieve, which I think we should do. Because these, as you can see, they still have these particles and we don't want those. So let's set up a container and then pass these in a strainer, and then you will see how creamy they come out. Because I do not want to do the dishes, I'm going to strain them back into the same pan.